Hey guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. Today in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can fix when Instagram says try again later. So sometimes what happens, you are scrolling through Instagram or you are posting stories or the post. What it says is, it says try again later even when you miss says. So to fix it, what you can do is just follow me for a while. I'll be teaching you a very easy step, and if you have any problem within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. Now let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is you need to go to Instagram and check firstly if it's working fine or not, if it's getting the same error again. So then what you can do is firstly just go to your settings, then go to apps, and from there go to apps again. Okay, now it's loaded. Just go to Instagram. Let's just search Instagram. Okay, it's over here. And from here, just go to stories again. And over here, just clear all the cache memory and also clear the data as well. And then just go to Instagram and then log in and then use it. Everything will be fixed, guys. So that's pretty much, guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any query, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.